on the second album, we originally did this song as like a Christmas present to our friends back in probably 2008. You know, we're still are starving, struggling musicians, and that year we were like, man, we should just record something and give it to our friends and then we can kind of save money. And so we did this 9-song CD for Christmas, and this was one of the songs we put on there, and everybody, they started requesting it at our live gigs, and we're like, huh, we just recorded this for fun, we actually don't know how to play the song. But they kept asking and kept asking, so we learned it and eventually recorded it on top of our album, English Rose. The song is a song done originally by Eva Cassidy, and it's called Songbird. I love this song. For the life of me, I cannot figure out if it's happy or sad.
I think it's happy song. Kellen thinks it's a sad song, and I guess that tells you what kind of people we are. Yeah, I'm happy, and Kellen is sad. So
come on.
So this song is wonderful because this is one of the songs that
yeah, if you're in a happy mood,
it'll fit perfectly for your mood. And if you're feeling down and feeling sad, you can still connect with this song. And those are some beautifully written songs when you can connect with the lyrics and the sentiment of the song, no matter what kind of mood you're in. So this is one of those beauties. A song entitled Songbird, and you know my parents are here somewhere, wandering around, probably shopping. But I want to send this out to them because I know this is one of their favorites.
Songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before, never before. How you want, happy or sad, I don't know. What's that? Happy, sad?
Happy, yeah.
Today's a beautiful day, happy. Let's go happy together.